have AI-powered applications integrated with Odoo ERP. Odoo Copilot, your instant analysis companion. It delivers quick insights and helps you make smarter decisions in real time. For more details, visit our website. Now let's see how we can deploy our module. First, we need to visit Odoo App Store and find our application Odoo Copilot. Then you need select your desired version you need. Then we can click on Download to get the module. Check your download folder. It should now be downloaded. You need extract the module first. On Extracted folder, visit Inside. You will find out our Copilot module. You can check all the files inside. Now you can deploy it on your server. To deploy it, first find out where is your server hosted. Is it hosted on Odoo SH or any on-premise server like AWS or Linode or etc. Let's see if our server is hosted on Odoo SH, then how we can deploy it. So now check Odoo SH project dashboard and locate your project. On your project tile, select Git icon. If you don't have the access, then you might seeing this screen. But if you have access, you can see the repository. Now first select your desired branch, like production or staging, then select code. Here you need to copy Git URL. Now open terminal or console of your system for specific folder. Now type git init, then type git clone, single branch master test, then paste the URL you copied, then hit enter. It will ask git user, then type user, then it will ask password, then type your access key here. It will clone Git repository on your system to your specified location. Now open the folder location where you cloned. Now copy our Copilot module from your download and paste it here. Then again, open terminal. Now type git status and hit enter. It will show changes. Now type git add all and hit enter. Then commit with a commit message and hit enter. Then type git push origin with branch name and hit enter. It will push you code the server. Now go to the Odoo SH dashboard again and select Open. It will now open your Odoo SH control panel. Here you can see current status of current commit and server update. When setup will be done, you can see test status success. Then you can click connect. It will then redirect to your system. Now we need active developer mode first. To that, select settings. Now scroll all the way down and select active developer mode. Now select app menu first. Then select update app list. It will open the wizard for confirmation. Then click on update. It will update your module list. Now on search bar type Copilot. You can find our app Copilot. Now click on activate. It will install your module and redirect you to main menu again. There you can find our app menu name Copilot. On click you can go inside and set up as per the instruction. For setup you can follow our user manual and also let us know in case if you have queries.